Hi everyone, this is the video number 12 of our ethical hacking using Kali Linux video series, and in this video today we will learn what is Tor browser, why Tor browser is important, and how to install Tor browser on Kali Linux. So let's get started. So first we will understand what is Tor browser. So Tor stands for the Onion Router. It is free and open source software enabling anonymous communication. The Tor browser is a web browser designed for anonymous web surfing and protect against traffic analysis. And it's also a way to surf deep and dark web. So basically Tor browser is a web browser that creates multiple layers of multiple IP addresses while serving the internet. That's why it is difficult to track anyone while someone surfing the internet on the Tor browser. Now second one is why Tor browser is important for hackers. I think you already understand that why Tor browser is important for hackers, but there are more features of Tor browser, so you can read it. First is hide your online activity. Your browser history and cookies automatically reset when you stop using it. Then anti-spy protection. Tor prevents others from tracking the website you visit. Then anonymous identity. Then multi-layer encryption. Okay, so I think now you understand very well that why Tor browser is important for hackers. And now we will understand how to install Tor browser using one line of command. So first of all, open your terminal. Then type a command sudo apt install tor space tor browser dash launcher and hit enter. It will take some time for installing. Now I will try to launch it. As you can see, we have installed Tor browser and it's working properly. So if you like this video, then you can follow our ethical hacking playlist. And that's enough for this video. See you again in the next video.